Job today, cleaning out a rinnai hot water heater. I did one of these, I don't know, a couple months ago. This one's a little bit different. I just want to point it out to you. A couple things you want to check though that you're not going to see is want to make sure that the fan is clean, the intake is clean, that the cabinet is clean. Make sure you turn off the gas. Make sure you unplug it. The gas valve you can see is going perpendicular. That means it's off. Parallel means it's on. There's the cold water valve in the back here. It's perpendicular to the pipe. It's off. The hot water out valve. And of course these are the recircle lines. They're open now. They go down and forth into the bucket. Now Rinnai recommends white vinegar for these things. They do not want you to put anything into the system. You want to make sure that the filter right here is clean. It had a little bit of debris in it today. The thing with this one is that I've run it for about an hour, hour and a half, which is right, hour and 20 minutes now. But this one shed some blue water. Now that's okay. What that's doing is that vinegar is reacting with the copper inside the boiler up there. The copper is shedding off some particulates into the vinegar, and it's just going back and forth through the system. It happens. It's not odd. This one was pretty clean, actually. No scale, got no scale back. Their water out here from a well looks really good. The filter downstairs, the whole house filter is really clean. So they get great water. Looks like it's pretty soft. But I thought I'd share that with you, especially the blue water. That's an odd thing. We don't always see that. Looks like there might be a little bit of sediment and scale in that, some yellow color, but pretty good. Also, this rinnai was really odd. I had to use separate fittings. I had to create a separate fitting. These regular hose bibs would not fit on these valves. These are not rinnai valves. That's a plumber deal. He found those for this. Anyway, there you have it. Wish you were here.